Right, so I need help diagnosing this mystery noise, this mystery grind that's coming from me when my clutch whenever I switch gears. Not whenever I switch gears, it's random, it's entirely random. It doesn't have any consistency. I can't replicate it with certainty that it's going to happen whenever I do it. So, I'm going to try to show you what it sounds like. Just going to shift through the gears here, push the clutch in a few times. Up! There it is. You hear that? And I can move the stick to neutral with the clutch still held in. That's the thing. I'm holding the clutch in, and I can put it back into neutral where it's not in gear or anything, and it will still continue grinding. So that's my clutch grind, whatever it is. It's annoying. It makes people think I'm a noob when I'm shifting sometimes. Like, I'll be in a parking lot, and I'll be shifting into first, and they'll be like, brrr, and I'm like, oh, fuck, someone... So, any help diagnosing this shit will be great.